Hello everyone. Welcome to my new HTML tutorial. Today I will show you how to create asymmetric HTML table using attributes colspan and rowspan. We will create the table like we see right now in the video. As we can see, we have cell 4 informations. This cell have the width of the 3 columns of the table. Also, we have cell 4 name and last name. This cell have the height of the 2 columns of the right. So, that's our goal for this video. Also, you can check my last 2 videos if you want to learn how to create a standard HTML table and how to use many more table attributes. I will place the link for the last video on the top right corner of this video. Okay, now we can start. As we can see, I have standard HTML structure. In body element, I will create table using HTML table element. First, I will set the caption. Caption text will be shown on the top of the table. I will write my first asymmetric table. Also, I will set the table border to 4. Now I will create the first top cell using the TR element and one TH element. Follow me. I will write informations. Inside TH open tag, I will add attribute colspan and the value 3. Run the code. As we can see, there is just one table cell and the caption. Let's continue. I will add new TR element. Inside this TR element, I will add cell 4 name and last name, also cell for the 2 names which I will use for this example. So, create 3 new TD elements. Inside first, write name and last name. Inside second, write Nicola. Inside third, write Thomas. Run the code. Okay, we have row with 3 columns. What would be happen if we add one more TR element and inside him 2 TD elements with word Tesla and second with word Edison? Let's find out. Follow me. Run the code now. As we can see, there are scattered cells. We didn't get what we wanted. We want names of scientists to be in one row and their last names under their names. To fix this, inside first TD tag, I will add rowspan attribute with value 2. Let's see our table now. We created our first asymmetric table. Nice. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.